Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a true icon of film photography, the black Nikon FE SLR camera. This isn't just any camera, it's a testament to classic design and enduring performance, even in its renewed form. Right from the first glance, the Nikon FE impresses with its compact and lightweight body. It boasts a strong metal chassis, a hallmark of its era, which speaks volumes about its durability and reliability. This camera feels substantial yet comfortable in the hand, thanks to its classic SLR design and thoughtfully placed ergonomic controls. It's built to be a workhorse, designed to withstand the rigors of regular use and challenging shooting environments, making it a trusted companion for photographers for many years. One of the FE's standout features is its versatile exposure control. Photographers have the freedom to choose between full manual control, allowing for complete creative command, or the convenience of aperture priority auto exposure when using AI lenses. There's even a shutter priority mode, offering flexibility to adapt to various shooting conditions and creative preferences. This adaptability is further supported by its precise center-weighted TTL through-the-lens metering system. This system measures light directly through the lens, providing accurate exposure calculations in a wide array of lighting situations, which is crucial for achieving those perfectly exposed images. Underneath its robust exterior, the Nikon FE houses an electronically controlled vertical travel metal-bladed focal plane shutter. This mechanism is renowned for its reliability and smooth operation, offering a broad range of speeds from a lengthy 8 seconds all the way up to a swift 1/1000 second, plus a bulb mode for extended long exposures. Peering through the viewfinder reveals a bright and clear display, equipped with a split-image rangefinder and a microprism collar. These focusing aids are invaluable for achieving precise manual focus, ensuring your subjects are always tack-sharp. The viewfinder also intelligently displays essential exposure information, keeping the photographer informed without distraction. The Nikon FE's compatibility with Nikon's legendary f-mount lenses is another significant advantage. This opens up a vast universe of high-quality Nikon lenses, from wide-angle landscapes to powerful telephotos and specialized optics. This interchangeability allows photographers to truly tailor their setup to their specific photographic needs and artistic vision. Beyond its core functionalities, the FE includes thoughtful additional features that enhance its usability for creative photography. These include exposure compensation for fine-tuning your shots, a multiple exposure capability for artistic overlays, and a depth of field preview to visualize your focus plane before capturing the image. In essence, the Nikon FE is more than just a film camera. It's a dependable tool that empowers photographers with robust build quality, versatile controls, and access to an incredible lens ecosystem. Its reputation for durability and reliable performance is well-earned, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to experience the magic of 35mm film photography with a truly capable machine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.